Hey YouTubers, JD Cap here for JD Cap repairs and tips. And we got this hypo here that we use for resin casting. And when you get through with one of these, it's going to be a mess after you inject, their molds and everything. So what you want to do is you want to pull this plunger out like so. I'm doing this one-handed. Sorry guys. Hope it doesn't go flying. Take it out, take the plunger out. It's going to be full of stuff. Wear gloves. It's going to be full of resin. And stick it in a cup. And just let it drip. Okay? Take the other part, stick it in the cup like this. And don't let it touch the bottom. Let it drip into the cup. And therefore, it'll drip mostly into the cup. And you can peel it out. And then you want to take something like a coat hanger, like this. And you want to go in there and just chip away at the little pieces. You're going to find little pieces like this. See that right there? You all these little pieces. And, these cost money, so you want to save them as much as you can. Afterwards, take the plunger, roll it in some Vaseline, okay, the plunger, and put it back in the hypo. And that will save you some money in your casting. So I hope this helps you. Hope you're having a fantastic day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please rate and subscribe.